जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the feet of my Gurupad Varmu, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhaktivedanta Sarvabhauma Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhaktivedanta Sarvabhauma Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offered my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam on lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and present here all of my respectful guests. So yesterday we also discussed the Krishna Lila, the sweet pastimes of Krishna. Very, very confidential. Because according to Tattva Darshan, philosophy, Krishna is one. Ekameva Parama Tattam. He is one, that is absolutely true. Upanishad also explains Eko Aham, I am one. Ekameva Dvitiyam, I am one without second. Ekameva Dvitiyam. But with my Achinta Sakti, inconceivable potency, I manifest many forms. Krishna, he has Achinta Sakti. In his Achinta Sakti, inconceivable potency, he manifests many forms. Yesterday I told. He has specially three potencies: Chit Sakti, Jiva Sakti, and Maya Sakti. In his Chit Sakti, transcendental potency, he creates the transcendental world, that of Chit Jagat, Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok, Vrindavan. And there he also performs sweet Leela with his own associates, Parikar. Leela is there. So yesterday I told, in Vaikuntha, Krishna manifested in the form of Narayan. In Ayodhyapuri, Krishna manifested in his form of Lord Ramachandra. In Dwarkapuri, Krishna, Dwarkadhish Krishna. Then Mathura, that is called Mathuradhish Krishna. Then Golok Vrindavan, his own Dham, Nitya Dham. And there Krishna always saying, Dibhuj Muralidhara Sam Sundara. Jatira Bantari Dibhuj Muralidhara Sam Sundara. So much effulgence coming from his body. For this regard, Gyanis, according to their knowledge, they are thinking he is Brahma. Yogis, according to their Yog Darshan, they are thinking he is Paramatma. And those who are the pure devotees, according to their bhakti, devotional service, they realize he is called Sarashcharya Purna Bhagavan. Oishcharya, Samagrasa, Birja, Jasa, Sri, Gyana, Vairagya, Chaiva, Sanna, Bhagavati, Gana. And those who are Madhurja Bhakta, sweetness mood of the devotee, they are thinking, he is very nice, beautiful young boy, youthful form. Baraha Pida Nadavara Bobu Karna Karnikaram Bibrada Vasu Konakavisam Vijanta Malam Randhana Veno Radha Sudaya Purana Gopa Vindai Brinda Arana Sapadaramanam Pravisada Giti Kirti. Very nice, beautiful peacock feather on his turban. 3-band fold, that is called Tribhanga Lalit. He plays the flute, and the sound of the flute he intoxicated in the heart of all the living entities. Kastramgati Kalapadam Mrita Venu Go Drija Druma Hirana Pulokana Vibrahma Nitya Golo Vrindavan Dham, eternal Vrindavan Dham. He plays the flute and intoxicated the heart of all the living entities. Even moving, non-moving, everybody completely were then captivated with the sound of the flute of Govinda. And all their nature completely transformed. Those who are moving, they completely were stunned, cannot move. And those who are stubborn, non-moving, they start to move. That is called opposite of the Nabdas Tata Tadvadharja Mukunda Geetam. When Krishna plays the flute, then the water of the river not flowing, not floating, not going, and stop. Not floating, not going, they stop. So Nabdas Tata Tadvadharja Mukunda Geetam. How the sound the flute of Govinda. Water is coming from up to down and not going. Not going. Then water creates the whirlpool. Please. Because in transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, all that Chetan Dharma, conscious being. Bhumi Chintamani Gonamain Toyam Amitam Katha Ganam Nattam Gamnopi Bangsi Priyasa. Chintamani, obligated, that is called transcendental and things like that. All their Chetan, conscious being there. So Nabdastada Tadvadharja Mukunda Geetam Sukdev Goswami Patra. Go Drija Druma Hiranya Pulokana Vibrahma. Go means the cows of Vrindavan. They completely stunned when they heard the sound of the flute. Just they drinking sweet nectar coming from the Venu flute. And their eyes completely open. And the cows, they completely stunned, stabda. They are not moving. Their eyes open, not blinking. And their ears completely stunned. They are drinking the sweet nectar, umrit, which is coming from the fruit of Govinda. The ears of the cows is as like lip cups, drinking sweet nectar. The cows, they are not chewing the grass. Half grass inside their mouth and half outside. And how is the path of the sound of the fruit of Govinda? And their heart completely are melted and tears rolling down. And the cows are sweet. taking darshan to a beautiful world, beautiful form of Krishna. Yeah. When the tears rolling down, look like one pearls falling down. This. Yeah. Not only this, even also that birds of Vrindavan, they are not ordinary birds. Who are they? Those are pure devotees. Suk, Vyas, Narada. They manifested in the form of birds and are staying in there. And they want to take darshan, they are beautiful form of Govinda. Yeah. So they were very nicely glorified. How is a beautiful Vrindavan. So Nabda, Go Dija Druma. Druma means the trees of Vrindavan. How they have love and affection with Krishna. So much possessiveness with Krishna, mamata. Yeah? Because this mamata is the symptom of prem. Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. We are saying prem, love, love. But what is the meaning of love? Love is this saying, Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Love means they are one-pointed with Krishna and they have so much possessiveness with Krishna. Yeah? So saying this definition about this word, love means Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Ananya means no. Their love, their possessiveness not going anywhere. Only one pointed with Krishna. So the Ananya mamata Vishnu. Here Vishnu means Krishna. Ananya mamata Vishnu, mamata prema sangata. Try to understand what is called prema. We are saying love, love. Love or love. Love means this word. We need Ananya mamata. Understand? Ananya means? No, not going in others way. Only straight. Their love and affection, possessiveness with Krishna. Govinda. So in Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema sangata. Well, how we know their possessiveness towards Krishna? Then explain when Krishna comes in Vrindavan, all the trees, they also offering their flowers, fruits to Krishna. Banulata tarvo vyanjanti puspa phaladha. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told. Banulata tarvo vyanjanti puspa phaladha. And when Krishna comes in Vrindavan, then all the trees, first they also are making sound with their branches. Automatically two branches rubbed, Garsan. They are making sound. Understand? They giving, that is called welcome to Krishna. Sagatam, Sagatam, Sagatam. Mama mana mandire rahani siddhin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna Murari, or you stay in our Hridaya Mandir, temple of heart. So say Mama mana mandire rahani siddhin Krishna Murari, Krishna Murari. Hey Krishna, hey Murari, only you stay in our Hridaya Mandir, temple. Then all the branches of the trees, they are making very nice, beautiful umbrella over the head of Govinda. As like bona fide Guru comes in the house of bona fide disciple, then bona fide disciple holds the umbrella over the head of his Guru. In the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, how they are love and affection. Automatically, the branches of the trees and making very, very nice, beautiful umbrella. And they also, first they offering the petal of the flowers, because they are thinking, how Krishna will walk in the path of Vrindavan. Because Krishna's feet is very soft. Eh? So automatically the flowers of the petals, Pankuriya, automatically are falling down. Eh? And as like snow falling. When Krishna comes, the petal of the flower is falling down, as like snow falling. Have you seen snow fall? Malaysia? No. If you go Russia or others, England, America, and very soft. In the same way, when Krishna comes in Vrindavan, the trees, they make very nice, beautiful carpet all over the Vrindavan with their flowers petals. फूलों के पंखुड़ियों के द्वारा इतनी सुंदर बिछवा देती है. अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी? फूलों के पंखुड़ी के द्वारा. Very nice, beautiful carpet, soft carpet. Madhavi, Malati, Jasmine, and all kinds of seasonal flowers automatically blossom. Very sweet smell, as a Rat Ki Rani. A Rat Ki Rani, understand? One kinds of flowers, and night time blossom, and sweet smell comes. That's the Rat Ki Rani. It's sweet. Then automatically, because they are thinking how Krishna will walk in the path of Vrindavan. They are thinking, oh, in Vrindavan there are many stone shapes, thrones. Actually, Vrindavan, no thrones, no kanti, understand? No thrones. But still they are still they are thinking, how possible Krishna will walk in the path of Vrindavan. For this regard, they make very nice, beautiful carpet, with the petal of the flowers. Then offering flowers, fruits to Govinda. Coming. Not only this, when Krishna coming very close, they do automatically the leaves of the trees and fanning to Krishna. This way. The creepers, they start to dance. That is as like chamar. Fan and chamar. How they are love and affection with Krishna. Or Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Very nicely glorified. The trees of Vrindavan, how they have love and affection with Krishna. Vrindavan. The trees, they are as like Grihastha householder. Understand? Husband. Our creepers, they are as like wife. So husband and wife. The flowers, as like their daughters. And our fruits, as like their sons. So that means your wife, husband, sons and daughters, all these serve to Krishna. Household life means this also. Household life means Grihastha means yours. When husband, wife, sons, daughters say one pointed with Krishna, not their mind not going in there. That house is called Golok Vrindavan. For the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jedina dihe bhajana dekhe grihite goloko bhayom charana sindhu dekhiya ganga sukna sima payom suddha bhakata charana renu bhajanayono pula suddha bhakata charana renu bhajanayono pula bhakata seva parama siddhi bhakata seva parama siddhi premlati karamula premlati karamula suddha bhakata In this verse, Vanulata Taruva Vendyam Puspapalanda, in this verse explain how the trees of Vrindavan, they have a love and affection with Krishna. And not only this, when the Krishna very close to the trees, then the trees, they also embrace to Krishna with their lengthy arms. What is that arms? The trees? Their branches. And Jana Sakha Anna Sake Kare Alingan. Actually, after a long separation, when two friends meeting together, embracing. In this way, the trees of Vrindavan, they embrace to Krishna. With their lengthy arms, with their branches. And automatically their heart melted. That is what? Tears rolling down. Sometimes you can go in the forest, sometimes also water dropping. Actually, the water is coming from where? Actual trees, they are feeling separation from Krishna. In Vrindavan. So Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained, when Krishna comes in Vrindavan, the trees, they also first embrace to Krishna. And their heart melted and tears rolling down. Have you been in forest? If you go to the forest, then see, sometimes also water dropping from the trees. No rain, nothing, but water dropping. But where the water is coming? At the trees, they are also feeling separation of Krishna. We are crying. In the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, they also crying and feeling separation from Krishna. So for this regard, they are heart melted and tears coming down. How they love and everything. Then they offered flowers, fruits to Govinda. Offering to flower, fruits to Govinda. Hey Govinda, please take the fruits. Automatically, the fruits, flowers come very close to Govinda. Then Krishna is very merciful. Krishna sometimes also taking the fruits. Many fruits come. Krishna taking, eating. And Krishna also distributes his friends. Then Krishna, Banantare, Krishna, he goes one forest to another forest. Yes, Sukdev Goswami Pad explained, Banantare. Krishna, he goes one forest to another forest. And that time, that trees of forest, they also feel separation from Krishna. And some, they also blocked the path for Govinda. Again, with their lengthy arms. What is that? With their branches. And saying, hey Krishna, Govinda, don't go, stay here with us. And he cried. Then Krishna pacified to the trees. Don't worry, soon I come back. And that time trees, they are saying, okay, hey Krishna will go. But don't forget us. Don't forget us. Because you have many friends, not you are one. Srimati Radhika, she said this word. Why? No. Hey Krishna, you have many friends. That God says. Okay, sometimes he's speaking. So, that time trees, they're saying, okay Govinda, just you write our name in your monopatra. Monopatra, understand? The leaves of your mind. নামটি আমার লিখে রেখো মনের মন্দিরে. Hey Krishna, please write down our name in your temple of mind, Mana Mandir. Temple of mind. Understand? This tradition you can see. If you go in India, big temple, where the temple, many people donate many things and they are writing their names in the stone. Why? Okay, my brother, my grandfather, my great-grandfather, they donated this name. You have seen? If you go Vrindavan, Rusanathan, when you do parikrama, in the parikrama, there you can see the many stones, Bengali, Hindi, English also. In the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, they are very humble. They are saying, Namti ama lekhe rekho moner mandire. Hey Govinda, please write our name in your temple of mind. When you take rest in the midday, when you take rest under the tree, but anywhere, that time you open one and page of your mind, Monopatra. Then give an example, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, very nicely, pathetically. Seriously, he also explained this way. One book. You got, but you see, one book from Gurudev. Understand? Just to give an example. And that time Gurudev also signed in there. Gurudev said, my darling daughter, that things, my heartily blessing to you. Then writing, Bibi Narayan. Maybe many years passed. Gurudev also departed after many years, maybe 10, 15 years. Then suddenly you open that the book. What happened? Your heart will melt. And remembering Gurudev, that past times, oh Gurudev, how he was loving affection. And he wrote this, his own sign. This is what you remembrance. In the same way, trees of Vrindavan, they request to Krishna, hey Govinda, please write our name in your Mana Mandire, temple of your mind. Understand this? In your life also you can realize many things. In your life many things happen, good or bad. Understand? Everybody's life also. When you sleep, then one, the page of your mind opens. This one, Jagrata, Sapnik and Susiptika. This is psychological word. On one phase of your mind, Monopatra, automatically open. And many kinds of your, what is called? Remembrance, smarak, understand? Memorandum coming in your mind. Then your heart melted. Oh, this. In the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, they request to Krishna, hey Krishna, you have many friends. Not that we are one or two. How many you have? He Deva, he Daita, he Bhuvanaika Bandhu, he Krishna, he Chapala, he Karunaika Sindhu, he Nata, he Ramana, he Nayana Viramam, ha kadanu bhavitasmi bhur disurme. Srimati Radhika. In her separation mode, she quoted this verse. He Deva, he Daita, he Bhunaika Bandhu. He Krishna, you are very expert to dancing. For this regard, your name is called Deva. Dibbati Kriyati iti Deva. We are saying it. Krishna Deva Bhavantam Mande. What do you mean Deva? Deva means is what? Divyati Kriyati, who is very expert to dancing. That is called Deva. Krishna, he dances very nicely. What is that Krishna? Deva Bhavantam Bande. So Srimati Radhika is saying, He Deva, He Dvaita. Dvaita means you are the beloved to all the living entities. He Deva, He Dvaita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu. You are the friends of all the living entities. Everybody like you. He Deva, He Dvaita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu. He Krishna, He Chapal, He Karunaika Sindhu. He Krishna, you are very restless. Chapal. Chapal, understand? Very restless. 1 second here, another second, another place. He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu. He Krishna, He Chapal, He Karunaika Sindhu. You the ocean of mercy or compassion. So He Deva, He Daita, He Bhuvanaika Bandhu. He Krishna, He Chapal, He Karunaika Sindhu. He Nath, He Ramana, He Nayanabhirama. Ha ha kadano bhavitasmi bhuvor disorme. This Srimati Radhika, she feels separation from Krishna. So now come the trees of Vrindavan, they request to Krishna, Hey Govinda, just write our name in your where? Manamandiri or Manapatra. Then when you take rest, especially in midday, understand? Krishna when herding the cows, then midday when Krishna takes what is called lunch, then Krishna taking rest. Srimad Bhagavatam explains. Then Krishna when he taking rest, then the trees are singing, and that time just you open one page of your mind, Manapatra. Sometimes you cannot sleep. So what you do? So you can take one book, any book, read, then you are automatically sleepiness will come. Then after 15 minutes, 10 minutes, then automatically your sleepiness will. In the same way, the trees of Vrindavan, they request to Krishna, Hey Govinda, just write down our name. Then you remember to us. Oh, this is Asuk trees. This is banyan trees. This trees. Then automatically our name you remember. So the same thing. Likhe rakho namti amar manir mandire. Hey Govinda, just write down our name in your Manamandi, temple of your mind, or the page of your mind, Manamatra. In this way, I say because how they have the trees of Vrindavan, they have mamata, possessiveness towards Krishna. Govinda said, this way. So it's given, Godhija Druma, Hiranna Pulukana Vibramam. Not only this, and the deer of Vrindavan, they are running towards Krishna. When Krishna plays the flute, then female deer and male deer, both they are running towards Krishna. Dhanna smamuragatayo irannayeta janandanandpata vichitra vesam akarna venuranitam saha Krishna sara puja dadam virachaya pranaya valokoi. Sukadeva Goswami told. Very good. Dhanna smamuragatayo irannayeta. Srimati Radhika she told, look, Sakhi, my girlfriend, how the deer of Vrindavan, how they are running towards Krishna. When Krishna plays the flute, then deer, female deer and male deer, they are running first. First, female deer is running. Then male deer behind Choha. Both they are coming very close to Krishna. And they also sitting very close to Krishna. Eh? They are animals beings. They can't speak. Just they open their eyes and look in the beautiful form of Govinda. Eh? Then Krishna fatigued on their back. Eh? Just touch the lotus feet of Krishna. Then their heart completely melted and tears flowing down. Eh? Govinda darshan. Tadi dhannas mudagatu hiranya eta janandrupat vichitra vesham akarna venu ranitam saha Krishna sara. Saha Krishna sara means what? The essence of life, Krishna Bhakti, Krishna. Actually, this is true. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained. What is the essence of life? What is your essence of life? Essence of life, Krishna Bhakti. Eh? Separate devotional service to Krishna. But how get this Krishna Bhakti? Without sadhu sangha, any method, you cannot get bhakti. Eh? Krishna Bhakti, Janma Mool, hai sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna Bhakti, that is called association of sadhu. But how will you get association of sadhu? Not so easy. Eh? Sometimes you go, come Vrindavan. Maharaj, I have no money. First question is coming. Please come Vrindavan. Eh? Vrindavan is sweet, Madhura Vrindavanam. Eh? Then question is coming, first question is coming, then saying, I have no money. Okay, I have come here. Come here. Maharaj, I have no time. First saying what? No money. And if sadhu comes here, then saying, I have no time. So what will do? So how will get bhakti? Eh? How will get bhakti? Without sadhu sangha, what will do? You cannot get bhakti. Eh? Mahad vicharam ninang grinang dino chetasam nissasya bhagavan nannati kalpati kachit. Srimad Bhagavad gives evidence. Why sadhus they are traveling around the world? Why? This is the reason. Mahad vicharam ninang grinang dino chetasam. They give mercy to the fallen living entities. Eh? We cannot go Vrindavan. We have no money. This is true. We have no sukriti, nothing. But Sadhu, Guru, Vaishnava, they are very merciful. They are coming very close to us. Eh? Give an example, we cannot take bath in the Ganges. Eh? If you take bath in the Ganges, then all your sinful activities are destroyed. So how will you go to, so you cannot go. You say, I have no money to go to the India, take bath. Eh? So what will you do? Big flood coming. Eh? Then Gangajal. Gangajal, understand? The water of the Ganges, very close to your house. But just to come out from your house and touch the water of the Ganges. But still you are saying, I have no time. Eh? So what will you do? Conditioned soul. They don't want go out from this jail of Maya. This is Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained this. Many songs also. What to do? Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, he explained, if you want to want the conditioned soul from the Maya Karagar is the jail of Maya, you have to spend 500 gallons blood. He said, 500 gallon blood. Understand? Conditioned soul, they don't want to bhakti, they don't want to associate sadhu. What will do? Not say. Why? Because Visay Kida means the worm of the material sense categories. Actually, the Vishtar Kida. Vishta means the stool worm. They like to stay in where? Stool. I am not saying Chaitanya Charitamrita, Vishtar Kida hoite uthava mari. Vishtar Kida, understand? The stool worm. They like to stay in stool. But if you anyhow to separate from the stool, then again they are going in where? Go back to the stool. This is the nature. I am not saying Chaitanya Charitamritam. Then, so how to decide Kira, conditional soul, to deliver from this material world? Not so easy. एक जीव, बद्ध जीव के यदि संसार से मुक्त करना चाहते हो तो उसके लिए 400 गैलन खून को तुमको देना पड़ेगा. Understand? Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, you have to spend 400 gallons blood for them. Not so easy. So now coming in this, they say Krishna Sara, just return back. Vishwanath Chakravarti, Krishna Sara. Dhannas Mumuragate Hiranyeta Janand Patta Vichitra Vesam Akarna Veno Ranitam Shaha Krishna Sara Pujadadam Virachaya Pranaya Valokoi. Krishna Sara means essence of life, that is Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem. For this is called Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachinandana Gaurvari, with the embodiment of divine love, Prema Purushottam, Sachinandana Gaurvari. Krishna is called Lila Purushottam, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Prema Purushottam. He is the embodiment of divine love. So especially in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately displayed the highest prem to you. Take this. Brahmar Durlabh Prem Savakari Jache. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed this highest prem which is rare for Brahman. Take this, take this. And just Mahaprabhu saying, chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Just I finished, they will prepare to dance. ये धन्नास ममुरगते हिरण्ययेता जानंद पात्र विचित्र वेशम आकर्ण वेणुरणितं सह कृष्ण सारा पूजा दधु ब्रिज प्रणयावलोकई. The dear of Vrindavan, how they exchange their love and affection with their eyes, because eyes indicate, eyes are indicate our love and affection. Understand this thing? So in this way, when the deer, female deer, male deer, they are sitting very close to Krishna. I told they are animal beings, they cannot speak. Just with their eyes, they exchange love and affection with Krishna. So Dhannas Mumrugata Hiranyeta Janapatta Vichitra Vesam Akarna Venuranitam Saha Krishna Sara Puja Dudu Virachan Pranayava Lokoi. Pranay Avalokan, meaning taking darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshan. What is the fruits, the result of our eyes? Take darshan to Govinda. Akshanatam phalamidam naparam vidamo. Srimati Radhika she says. What is the fruits? The holding the eyes in this body. Only take darshan to Govinda. Govinda darshan. Jiha phalam tadisam gunakirtanam hi. Why you are keeping the tongue? Glorify for Krishna, Govinda. So say, Akshana phalam tadisam darshan hi jiha phalam tadisam gunakirtanam. Tanu phalam tadisam gatra sammaga. Person. Touch the lotus feet of Krishna, Govinda. So, in this way, in Goloka Vrindavan, Krishna performs sweet Leela. All the residents of Braj, they completely intoxicated with Govinda's 4 extraordinary qualifications. That is called Rupa Madhurya, sweetness of his beauty. Venu Madhurya, sweetness, sound of the flute. Prema Madhurya, sweetness of the divine love. Or 4th, Lila Madhurya, sweetness of his divine pastimes. Bolo Govindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Bolo Govinda Bolo Gori Gopala. bolo Hari. Oh Govinda bolo Hari Gopala bolo Govinda bolo Hari. If you want to collect this Brahma gift, I think not many, finish only one or two, go for rest. Okay, start, huh? Okay, everybody please a little bit more. Huh? Done. No, no, you get.
presentation. And Govinda Das, he composed these songs before he worshipped Devi Durga or goddesses Durga something. Then finally he asked to Devi, please give me mukti. Mukti means liberation. That time Devi she told, we are in heaven. Then goddesses or God. Our only part to give the dharma, artha, kama. Dharma means religion, artha means economical development, kama means that material sense gratification. Mukti dadadi jasa iti mukunda. Only Mukunda, Saint Krishna Bhagavan, his name is called Mukunda. He can give only mukti. We cannot give mukti. That time Govinda, that time Devi, the goddesses, Devi Durga Sita, you worship lotus feet of Mukunda. So for this God, then he worshipped Krishna. Govinda, he wrote this verse in Bengali song. Bhaja Hure Mano Srinanda Nandana Abhayo Charana Ravindare. This song just very nicely we also presented. This is our essence of life. Just I also told this Katha. What is the essence of life? Govinda Bhakti, Krishna Bhakti. If you will not perform bhajan and sadhana, if you will not collect bhakti, the life will be useless. And again you come in the same cycle of death, birth and death. There are no guarantee. Again you will get the body of human being or not. There is no guarantee. Labdha sudurla vidam bahu samabhante manusya marthadan anityan apiya dhiro tulnam janamade unittum javat nisya visakuru sarvata sasa. Visakuru, all kinds of sense gratification. Eating, sleeping, defending and mating. These four things automatically will get if you go any business angle. Automatically get eating, sleeping, defending and mating. But Krishna Bhakti, this is very, very rare. And Krishna Bhakti will get only the association of sadhu. So for this regarding Krishna Bhakti Janma Moon, hoy sadhu sangha. The root cause of Krishna Bhakti, that is called sadhu sangha. Then if you associate to sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then your life will be successful. So Govinda Das, he realized these things. Then he gave up to worship the goddesses Durga. Then he completely surrendered to the lotus feet of Krishna. Then he wrote this verse. Then Bhaja Guri Mano Srinanda Nandana Abhayo Charanara Vrindara. Edhana Jovana Putra Parijana Iteki Ache Paratiti. Wealth, money, wife, children, everything you will get according to your previous karma. They will get. Everything you are predicted and predestined. You want or not. And previous life, what you did, that karma, the fruit of karma are coming. And, but you accept or not. This is another question. But Krishna Bhakti, sadhu sangha, not possible. Sakal janm mein sabe mata pita par. Krishna Bhakti nahi mile, bhaja. Every life you will get all these things. But Krishna Bhakti sadhu sangha, it is very rare. So Govinda Das, very humble, he sang these songs. They chant holy names and associate sadhu, do bhajan and sadhu, then your life will be satisfied. God Premanand. Last program. So please come and take Mahaprasadam. Are you right? Or no? Pardon? Govinda Priya, she brought Annapurna Devi Das. All are there. Okay. Please come, take Mahaprasad.
Please come. Srinda, Kirtana. They will pass this way.
Okay, very well. Please come. Nice, beautiful. Thank you. Not only done chant holy names, do bhajan and chant. Okay? Good. Okay. Asal only one asal go. Go. Pardon? Boy. Very well, please come.
This is Kirtana and Veda Vinanda Rupini.
Where is the routine?
Yeah.
Very nice. And there are Isha Gua.
Heaven, the devotees, the mother, father, and my wife's school.
Good.
Yeah, you look like if you someone for your daughter, like you might go.
Yeah.
Okay. Chant holy names. Then give the prayer to the next step come. Oi, Toruni.
Physical, you wanted to sign photo.
Prabhu?